Hello everyone, this is Elijah, Department of Logic and Philosophy of Dynamic Junior College alumnus. Hello students, welcome to my tutorial. Today I am going to discuss about first chapter of SS second year, that is kinds of induction. But before entering the subject matter, all of you know that there are two types of inference. One is deductive inference and another is inductive inference. In first year, you have already learned about deductive inference and different kinds of deductive inference. But in second year, you have to learn about inductive inference and different kind of inductive inference. That means different type of inductive inference. So before entering the subject matter, that is kinds of induction, I want to compare the deductive inference with the inductive inference. Then what is called deductive inference? In deductive inference is that where we jump from general proposition to particular proposition. For example, all men are mortal. Ram is a man. Therefore, Ram is mortal. And what is called inductive inference? In inductive inference is that inference where we jump from particular proposition to general proposition. For example, Ram is mortal, Hari is mortal, Jadu is mortal, Karim is mortal. Therefore, all men are mortal. That means in inductive inference, we always jump from particular proposition to general proposition. And in deductive inference, we always jump from general proposition to particular proposition or general proposition to general proposition. Okay, come to the point. Kinds of induction, it is classified on the basis of inductive leap. The question is arise, what is called inductive leap? Inductive leap is that where we jump from something known to unknown. Where we jump from something known to unknown. For example, by observing the death of Hari, Madhu, Jadu, Karim, it is established that all men are mortal. Here we have to jump from observed example to non-observed example. So there is a jump in induction. The jump is called inductive leap. In induction, we have to jump from something known to unknown. That is called inductive leap. Inductive leap is also called inductive hazard. Inductive leap is also called inductive hazard. On the basis of inductive leap, at first induction is classified into two types. They are induction proper and induction improperly so called. What is called induction proper? Induction proper is that where the induction leap is present. That induction is called induction proper. And what is called induction improperly so called? Induction improperly so called is that where the induction leap is not present, that means absent. That induction is called induction improperly so called. Again, induction proper is classified into three types. They are scientific induction, unscientific induction, and induction analogy. Scientific induction, unscientific induction, and analogy. And induction improperly so called, it is also classified into 3 types. They are perfect induction, induction by parity of reasoning, collocation of head. So these are the different kinds of induction. So that's all for today. In the next time I will continue what is scientific, unscientific and analogy. In the next class I will explain what is scientific, unscientific and analogy. Thank you.